Hey there! Have you ever wished your money could just grow on its own? Well, guess what? It can. And no, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's actually one of the most powerful concepts in personal finance: compound interest. Let's break it down together. So, what is compound interest exactly? At its core, it's when the money you earn from interest starts earning interest on itself. Yep, interest on interest. It's like giving your dollars tiny little jobs, and then those dollars hire even more dollars to work for you. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say you invest $1,000 at a 7% annual return. That first year, you make $70 in interest. Cool, right? But in year 2, you're not just earning interest on your $1,000. Now you're earning it on $1,070. And every year after that, your earnings keep stacking, growing, and compounding. Fast forward 30 years, that same $1,000 turns into over $7,600. And you didn't have to do a thing. You just gave your money time. This is why compound interest matters. It rewards patience. It makes long-term saving and investing incredibly powerful. Whether you're thinking about retirement, building wealth, or just want to be smart with your money, this concept is your best friend. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. So even if you can't invest a lot right now, just starting makes a huge difference. So now you know the secret. Compound interest isn't just for finance nerds or Wall Street, it's for everyone. And the sooner you understand it, the better your future looks. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more smart money tips. Let your money work for you. Catch you in the next one.